So I'm going to give you guys 5 things that persons from people from other foreign countries think what Jamaican men normally do. Number 1, have children what they don't know about. Not all Jamaicans man do that. Listen to Bob Marley. That's a no-no. Not all Jamaican man listen to Bob Marley. We don't use man at the end of every sentence, like yeah man, see the man. Not all Jamaicans man do that. And all of us does not bust gunshots. We don't do that. And number 5, not all of us smoke weed, so I don't know why persons are normally assuming that all Jamaican men smoke weed. We don't. So those are the 5 things people normally assume that Jamaican man does, which is wrong. Thanks for watching.